Would you like to make amazing looking graphics in a really easy way? I'm going to show you a cool website. It's called Canva, and it has a lot of templates that you can create really nice graphics very quickly. You can also make t-shirts. Pretty cool. Stick around. All right, so I want to show you this cool website. It's called Canva. That's CANVA.com. And this is the homepage. And what you do is just log in. You're going to use your Google account. So let me get signed in and then I'll show you. So sign up, get in there, and work with me. All right, so you got logged in. It may have asked you a few more questions than it did for me. It won't ask you a bunch of questions now that you're signed up. You get to this page. Right? You might have had a little pop-up as well, and it showed some of the different designs. So a really, really great way to start is thinking about what you want to create. Now, if you don't know what you want to create, the best spot to start is at Create a Design. So if you click Create a Design, you'll see that they have all these different suggestions, these different things that you could create. So anywhere from posters, menus, maybe you know someone that owns a restaurant, or maybe you want to make a fake restaurant. Okay, you could definitely do a new menu. You could create a coupon or a t-shirt or any of these things. All right, I'll show you the menu one. So if you click on menu, it will show you a bunch of templates on the left-hand side. Now you can search those templates. If you have some better idea as to what you would really, really like to see, you can definitely do that. I don't really have an idea. Maybe if I owned a certain type of restaurant, like if it was a breakfast restaurant, I could choose that. They have all these really, really nice templates. So say, for instance, I own a pizza place. I can click there, and now I have my pizza menu. And all you have to do to change these is double click, and now you can type in there. And you can change it to whatever you want. You can change the numbers to whatever you want, the cost. All right. Now, it does say remove watermarks. Now, I will say I don't see a watermark here. Let me see if this works. If we do print flyers, I notice, okay, I don't want that. I would like to download my flyers. Now it says PDF. I would like a PDF, and let's see how that ends up. Some of these have pictures in them that you don't own the rights to, so you actually have to pay for it. You can definitely pay for Canva Pro, but if you choose pictures that don't have those copyrights, then you can actually get it for free. So like this one, totally free, no watermarks on it whatsoever. You could print this, you could use it at your restaurant, you could use it for fun. It's a really, really nice option. Other things that you can do, I'll click home and we'll see what else we can do. There are t-shirts. I really like this one because you create the t-shirt and then it shows it on a person and you can even order it. So for instance, let's say I love this one. Ooh, I really want it to say educator. All right. Then when you go to print t-shirts, click on print t-shirts, it actually shows what it would look like on a woman or a man. You can change the color of the shirt. You can do all that stuff. And then you can have them printed. Looks like it's $20 each t-shirt. So pretty cool. Custom t-shirts. You can create. One of my assignments, I have my students create an infographic to provide information. So you can go down here, you can click on a template and then change things. It's really, really nice. If you want to add different photos, you can search photos. If there's a little icon down here, that means they want you to pay for it. A lot of these pictures, they do want you to pay for, but some of them, you don't have to. All right. I'd imagine you could go on Wikipedia, Creative Commons, and find some pictures you can use and import them in. The way to import them in, I believe, is right here, uploads. So I uploaded some pictures. Now, some of these I wouldn't use, like I don't have the rights to that logo. But you can click upload an image or video. So for instance, I took this picture of one of my ham radios, and now I have the rights to that because I took that picture. And you can upload it and you can print it all you want. So there are an amazing amount of different templates, all the way from magazine covers. You want to pretend you're famous. Maybe you are famous and you want to create a magazine with you on the cover. Really, really cool options. Make it look all professional. You could change this picture to one of your own. Really, really nice graphics program. And it's free. Now, you could pay for it. and it gives you a little bit more options, which go for it if you'd like. Me, my students, we use the free version and it works wonderfully. So if you're looking to create any type of graphic whatsoever, I would definitely suggest checking out Canva. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great day.